12mm waterproof LED metal indicator with symbol. The most significant feature of this indicator light is that the lamp head can be disassembled and assembled to replace the symbol sticker inside. Customers can change the icons to suit their needs. We will provide common symbol stickers. Use a small paper stick to poke the lamp head out of the tube, then use your fingers or scissors to separate the lamp base from the lid, and then screw on the tube and install the lamp base. The symbol sticker should be placed inside the lid, which is then inverted and placed on the table. Next, align the indicator light vertically and press it down onto the lid. Alternatively, place the head on the lamp base and press directly to secure it. The lamp tube has a clear printed mark of product information. The voltage range is between 5V and 28 volts, with other voltages customizable. The indicator light is IP67 waterproof, and when placed in a dedicated waterproof box, it can be seen to glow normally even when submerged in water.